Hey Disney fans and Disney friends of If You Can Dream It Travel. I'm creating this short video solely for the purpose to talk about magic bands again. So I love magic bands, and I'm really sad that they're not complimentary anymore. However, I'm very pleased that at least when you book a resort room, you can get the solid bands for a discounted price. Right now, they are starting at $5, which I don't think is pretty expensive. They do have some designed ones that are 10 and 15, and then of course there are some that are a little more expensive, but that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to talk about old magic bands. So if you have old magic bands like I do, I have old magic bands and I can use this on my trip if I would like, or I can order a new magic band. When linking some old magic bands to a client's account, I had to call Disney and talk to them about linking the magic bands because they were not showing up on the account. It ended up being another issue. It had nothing to do with the magic bands, but I did learn some new information. So the cast member stated that there was no way to guarantee that that magic band would work. However, when you arrive and the magic band does not work, then you could go to customer service at the park or customer service at the resort, and you could get a Key to the World card, which is free. The Key to the World card will work just like a magic band. With your magic band, you can tap to get into parks. It's got your park ticket. If you want to purchase something and you've got a credit card linked to your account, you just tap and go. It also has your PhotoPass information in here if you've purchased the PhotoPass, or if you just have an account. I believe even if you don't have the PhotoPass, they can still scan your band and then you can purchase those pictures later. And you can also open your resort room with your magic band. The Key to the World card works the same way, and you can get that at your resort, at the customer service counter, or at the park. I started to think about this customer, and I quickly realized that what if she gets to the park, she has her magic band, I asked the cast member, and it doesn't work. I mean, we're not going to know until she gets there and tries it to open her resort room. And she said, well, at that time, if it doesn't work to open the resort room, then you could just go to customer service and you could pick up a Key to the World card. But then, she misses out on having the magic band. Now the cast member said, well, no, she doesn't. She would just have to purchase the magic band. Now you could go to one of the gift shops there by customer service at the resort and you could purchase the magic band, but you're not going to get one there for $5. I don't even know. I would know, depending on what resort you're staying at, what magic bands they have available there. So it got me thinking, maybe I should recommend to this client to go ahead and purchase a new magic band for this trip, because the magic bands that she had not been used since 2018, and they were actually linked to another email. Now we merged everything together. Disney did all of that. It wasn't a problem. Super easy to take care of. However, I just wanted her vacation to go as smooth as possible, and so that was a recommendation that I made, and she felt like it was the best decision. So we went ahead and we ordered her magic bands, and they are on their way for her trip in March, and so I feel much better now. However, I did have some reservations when I was talking to the cast member. So my recommendation is go ahead and buy that $5 band. Now, if you've been to the parks recently, you're a Florida resident, or you live in a nearby state and you've just been to Disney, let's say in the last 3 months, 6 months, and your old magic band worked just fine, and everything on your account is linked together, then sure, just use the magic band you already have. However, if it's been a couple of years, then I would definitely purchase a new magic band. That is just some advice I have for you. You can take it, you can leave it. If you choose to take your old one and it doesn't work, the great thing is you just can go down to the customer service desk and you can get a Key to the World card, and it'll work just like your magic band. So I hope this information was helpful.